Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin Calculus and kung sinusundan nyo itong series natin, ang last natin na pinag-aralan ay yung product rule, no? So, in this video, pag-aaralan natin yung tinatawag natin na quotient rule, no? Halimbawa, meron tayong quotient of two expressions such as x to the fifth over x cubed. Well, alam natin by the law of exponent that the answer to this is equal to x squared, right? So, ang tanong ngayon is the derivative of x to the fifth, no, over the derivative of x cubed, is it equal? Is it equal? Lagyan natin ng question mark. To the derivative of x squared. Now, alam natin that the derivative of x to the fifth is by the power rule, no? Ibababa natin yung 5, no? And then x, tapos babawasan natin yung 5 ng 1, magiging 4. No? That's the power rule. Tapos ang derivative ng x cubed, bababa natin yung 3, and then we subtract 1 from the power of x, no? Magiging x squared siya. So magiging equal to 5 over x to the fourth over x squared is just x squared. So magiging 5x squared over 3. No? So may maiwang x squared sa taas, magka-cancel yung x squared sa baba, tsaka yung x squared sa taas. Ang maiiwan dito ay x squared. Samantalang ang derivative ng the derivative of x squared is equal to 2x. No? So bababa natin yan, magiging 2x. And then yung power dito magiging 1. Magiging 2x to the first power or simply 2x. So as we can see, hindi pala equal, no? Yung derivative ng dalawang expressions na to, dalawang functions, no? Not equal. Okay, so paano natin kukunin yung derivative nitong quotient of two functions or quotient of two expressions. Okay, so meron tayong formula dyan, no? Now, the formula for the derivative, no? Derivative of f of x, no, over g of x. Lagyan natin ng konti. So f of x over g of x is equal to, no, g of x, no, yun nandito sa baba, times the derivative of f of x, denoted by f prime of x, minus, no, f of x, yung function sa taas, times the derivative of g of x, function sa baba, derivative niyan, over g of x squared. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin dito sa example na to using the formula? So, this is equal to what is the derivative of ano ang g of x natin? G of x natin is yung nasa ibaba, no? This is our g of x. Kaya nito, no? And yun sa taas natin yung f of x natin. Okay. So, g of x is yung expression sa baba, so that's x cubed. And then times the derivative of f of x. So, magiging, bababa natin yung 5 by the power rule. And then x to the, babawasan natin ang isa, yung kanyang power. And then minus f of x, that's x to the fifth, times the derivative of g of x. So the derivative of g of x is bababa natin yung 3, and then yung 3 dito sa power magiging 2. So magiging 3x squared. And then g of x squared yung sa baba. X cubed squared. So x cubed times 5x to the 4th, that's 5x to the 7th minus 3x to the 7th, no? X to the 5th times 3x squared is 3x to the 7th over x cubed squared. So this is equal to 2x to the 7th over x to the 6th, no? And if we simplify, this is just may 2x to the 6 sa taas times x, and then meron kang 2x to the meron kang x to the 6 sa baba. Sa denominator, we can cancel this, and we are left with 2x. 2 times x over 1, simply 2x, no? Now, this is the derivative of x cubed, x to the 5th over x cubed. What about the derivative of x squared? Now, supposed to be ang derivative of x squared, dapat mag-equal siya dito, di ba? So, d dx of x squared, no, is equal to, bababa natin yung 2 dito. So, 2x to the first power, or simply 2x. So, as we can see, these two are the same. Okay, so ito yung formula na dapat nyo i-memorize. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video natin. This is just a very simple example, no? Siyempre magkakaroon tayo ng more examples later na mas complicated, no? But I think as long as you know your algebra, no? Pagkatapos kasi nitong formula, it's more on multiplication of polynomials, no? Laws of exponents, no? Yun lang yung dapat siyempre master niya yun bago kayo mag-calculus, no? Gusto ko i-invite sa ating YouTube channel na nag-upload tayo ng video every day, no? And I'm not sure, but I think starting next week, baka 2 videos a day na tayo. And then we have our Facebook page, facebook.com/sip9ph, at our website, sip9.com. So I suggest na mag-subscribe kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel, no? And of course, please like our Facebook page. If you like this video, just click the like button. I'll see you in the next tutorial.